This video is for informational purposes only. Many mass-market wine producers prioritize speed, consistency, and profit over traditional craftsmanship, which can result in wines that are less healthy for consumers. To meet high demand, grapes are often grown with the heavy use of synthetic pesticides and chemical fertilizers, leaving residues that can be carried into the final product. During production, some large wineries rely on additives such as artificial flavor enhancers, color stabilizers, added sugars, and chemical preservatives to standardize taste and extend shelf life, rather than allowing natural fermentation to shape the wine. High levels of sulfites are commonly used to prevent spoilage and speed distribution, which can contribute to headaches or sensitivities in some people. Additionally, aggressive filtration and processing can strip wine of beneficial polyphenols and antioxidants, resulting in a beverage that is more processed, less complex, and nutritionally inferior compared to traditionally made, low-intervention or organic wines. If you love wine, here is a simple homemade fruit wine recipe to try yourself. A simple, beginner-friendly homemade wine recipe using fruit. This method doesn't require special equipment and is great for first-time winemakers. Ingredients: 1 gallon, about 16 cups of fresh fruit, grapes, berries, apples, peaches, washed and chopped. 2 to 3 cups sugar, white or raw cane. 1 gallon of non-chlorinated water. 1 packet wine yeast, best, or 1/4 teaspoon active dry yeast, works for simple wine. Optional, 1 teaspoon lemon juice for balance. Equipment: 1 large glass jar or food-grade plastic container, 1 to 2 gallon size. A clean cloth or coffee filter. A rubber band. A wooden spoon. A strainer or cheesecloth, and clean bottles or jars with lids. Instructions: 1. Prepare the fruit. Lightly mash the fruit in the jar to release juices. Fill the jar about 3/4 full of fruit and water combined. 2. Add sugar. Stir in 2 to 3 cups of sugar until dissolved. Taste: it should be sweet but not syrupy. 3. Add yeast. Sprinkle yeast on top. Do not stir for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently stir after the yeast activates. 4. Cover and ferment. Cover the jar with a cloth and secure with a rubber band. Place in a dark, warm area, 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir once daily. 5. Primary fermentation. After 5 to 7 days, bubbling will slow. Strain out fruit solids and pour the liquid back into the jar. 6. Secondary fermentation. Cover again and let ferment 2 to 4 more weeks. Taste weekly until desired flavor. 7. Bottle. Pour wine into clean bottles. Cap loosely for the first few days, then seal. Let it age for at least 1 to 3 months for a smoother flavor. Tips: cloudy wine is normal for homemade batches. Longer aging equals smoother wine. Keep everything very clean to avoid spoilage. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship. Thanks for watching.